Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of My Dear Ming, Chapter 1, Part 2. So here it is. Let's read the story. Sue came out. Right now, the madam is calling Sue. Sue answered and said, "What's up?" Well, right now, Sue, she became popular. She's been requested by the men. It reached you so quickly. Not really, who only drank 2 bottles of flower wine. And he was drunk that he couldn't stand up. That's just right. Who can say? Right now, Sue, come back soon. I paid some money. Old man said, "It's cheaper to accompany you for a while. You don't have enough money to pay for wine." Madam said, "Let's go. You seems a little." Right now, Sue. Turns out there's someone's paying for her. See the girl. Look. It's a gold right now. Sue's eyes become shining. Well, it was really gold. You are lucky. A son who is rich in action scolds you. This is more than the monthly money you gave me. Right now, meaning she really needs to go for the son. Is it? I'm sorry, Mom. You know I'm straight. He's waiting for you in the upper room. Go ahead. Remember to hand in the money. Right now, Sue. She seems to be surprised. Who is the person who's calling her? Sue said to herself that I'm not the top card here. Who will be mine? Well, who is the one who's requesting her? Definitely right now. She was really puzzled and suddenly she got paused. Well, could it be that? When she turned around, it turns out it was a girl who's requesting for her right now. Not a boy, but it was a girl. Little girl travels in a little plain sight. I met the young masters. Well, right now, this girl, Sue, she can really believe it. What kind of music do you want to listen to? Or, right now, since you're a new face here, well, Sue seems to be sophisticated. Well, she was really pretty. He looks pretty, Sue said to herself. I finally see you. No more music, just close the door. The girl said to her. Oh, it seems that this girl, she really knows her right now. Really, she was really anxious. The door is squeaking. He said, Suyu girl. She put up a big bag of money in front of Suyu and now Suyu, her eyes is shining and said, Money. Excuse me for being presumptuous. The girl said to Suyu. But right now the girl, she moved closer to her. How does the girl have fun with those dignitaries on a daily basis? Now, it seems that she wants to tease her. But Suyu right now is trying to provoke her. Also want to tease her. Said, well, it seems that Suyu, since she was working on this field, she really know how to coax people. Said to her right now, young master, wait a moment. Oh, it seems that she was really good at coaxing people. That's why right now, this young girl also wants to tease her so much. Just know. Suyu said to the girl. But right now, this girl keeps herself on silence. She was only looking at Suyu. Well, it seems that the girl moved forwards. Well, she's trying to provoke her, right? Also, how this girl knows Suyu. And it seems that she really knows this girl. Suyu, right now, to her surprise, the girls get her hands and put her onto her chest. Well, it seems that she wants to feel her heartbeat. Right now, the girl seems to be like teasing so much Suyu. Right now, Suyu. Now, the girl, she can smile a sly. Probably she was thinking, but Suyu, she was really puzzled and don't know what to do. The girl moved closer to her and said, how? Well, she was really surprised that this girl is not a man. Of course, she really feel it now. Suyu, looking at her, said to her, interesting. He replied to her on teasing, it's not too hard to serve them. Oh, Suyu, right now. Did she really mean that? Well, of course, no matter high or low, we are all just a girl. Suyu said to her. Now she looks really convinced. What that needed is really the same. Slave family can serve them well. You can also serve the guests well. So you said to this girl. But looking at it, the girl seems to be fun on her. Right now, Suyu is trying to coax the girl. Now, the girl seems to be strange. She really liked what Suyu's doing to her. Right now, she moved closer and said, Suyu girl, you don't belong here. Why bother yourself and leave by looking the other people's faces? Well, it seems that this girl really likes Suyu. Do you know something about me? Oh, it seems that this girl, she really knows Su. Wacy is her name. Well, it seems to be good. I'm here to help you to regain your freedom. Oh, she was really fond on Su. Hey guys, did you notice? She is almost the same as characters of Song Beyond the World, also known as Boogie Across the World. Well, the author is the same. Why are Suyu and that rich young man silent? Right now, the madam and the other girls are gossiping outside the room. When Lucy Wei goes to the door and open it, the girls come release. Well, the madam still. That's why right now she's looking for her. Young master wants to come and play again. Well, right now. So you actually let him. So much. These numbers can even be. Right now, madam, she was drooling. It was a big money Sue gave to her right now. But the madam seems to be surprised. Hey, mom is asking you. Well, right now, it's this money. It's up to you, girl, to decide when to use the money. Otherwise, may cause more trouble. So, right now, freedom back. Mother, let Chewer go home. It was really payment for Chewer. Okay, do as you like. Whatever is left over will be handed over. Thanks God. Right now, Sue has a chance to, but instead, she really gave her freedom to the younger friend. That little girl, much more worth it. Hey guys, thank you for supporting. I hope you're doing well today. Bye!